This video compares two software tools. An AI voice walks you through everything clearly.
Starting with pricing, TaxSlayer follows a straightforward, tiered model that clearly separates basic filers from those with more complex tax needs. The Simply Free plan costs $0 for federal filing and supports simple tax situations such as W-2 income, unemployment income, standard deductions, education credits, and basic filing statuses, though state filing is an added cost. The Classic plan is priced at $22.99 plus state fees and expands coverage to include all income types, all major IRS forms, and itemized deductions, making it suitable for most taxpayers with moderate complexity. The premium plan costs $42.99 plus state and adds deeper support for investments, rental property income, and advanced tax scenarios. For freelancers, contractors, and small business owners, the self-employed plan is priced at $52.99 plus state and includes Schedule C filing, business income tracking, and deduction support tailored for gig and self-employment income. In contrast, Bloomberg Tax does not publish fixed pricing at all. Bloomberg Tax uses a customizable, enterprise-level pricing model that requires interested users to request a quote directly from its sales team, with costs varying based on modules, users, and organizational needs. Moving into features, TaxSlayer focuses on delivering essential functionality without overwhelming users. It supports W-2 wages, 1099 income, unemployment compensation, taxable interest, retirement income, education credits, child tax credits, and itemized deductions on paid tiers. Prior year return uploads are included, allowing users to import data and reduce repetitive entry. The interview-style filing flow asks clear, direct questions and automatically populates the appropriate IRS forms in the background, helping reduce errors without forcing users to manually navigate tax documents. TaxSlayer also includes automatic error checks before e-filing, helping prevent common IRS rejections. Free phone and email support are available, which adds reassurance for users who want human assistance without paying premium consulting fees. Looking at the pros, TaxSlayer's biggest strength is its balance of affordability and coverage. Pricing is transparent, upgrades are clearly explained upfront, and users are not aggressively pushed into higher tiers mid-filing. The platform is fast, stable during peak season, and works well for individuals, families, and self-employed filers with moderately complex returns. On the downside, the interface feels functional rather than modern, and the free plan is limited to very basic scenarios. Users seeking deep explanations, visual guidance, or built-in expert review may find it less comforting compared to higher-priced competitors.
Shifting fully to Bloomberg Tax, it's important to understand that this platform operates in a completely different category from consumer tax software. Bloomberg Tax is built specifically for tax professionals, large firms, and enterprises that manage complex compliance, reporting, and research obligations across multiple jurisdictions and regulatory environments. Instead of offering public pricing tiers, Bloomberg Tax follows a fully customizable enterprise-level pricing model that requires organizations to request pricing directly from Bloomberg's sales team. Costs vary based on the specific products selected, such as tax research, fixed assets, provision and compliance modules, the number of users, and the overall scale and complexity of the organization. From a features perspective, Bloomberg Tax prioritizes depth, accuracy, and integration over simplicity. The platform delivers authoritative tax research combined with real-time regulatory updates, automated calculations, and advanced reporting tools inside a unified ecosystem. Bloomberg Tax Fixed Assets helps organizations manage depreciation schedules, asset life cycles, and book-to-tax differences with precision, which is critical for companies subject to audits and strict reporting standards. Integrated workflows ensure calculations, documentation, and compliance outputs stay aligned across teams, reducing manual reconciliation and minimizing risk. The system is continuously updated to reflect changes in tax law, court rulings, and regulatory guidance, allowing professionals to work with confidence that their positions are current and defensible. Bloomberg Tax also excels in collaboration and scalability. Large teams can standardize tax treatment across departments while maintaining audit trails and version control. The platform integrates with other Bloomberg intelligence products, enabling users to connect tax data with financial, legal, and market insights. That said, Bloomberg Tax has clear trade-offs. The learning curve is steep, and onboarding typically requires training and internal implementation planning. It is not designed for individual taxpayers or small businesses, and the lack of transparent pricing can be a barrier for organizations that prefer predictable, upfront costs. For users who only need to file a return, Bloomberg Tax would be excessive. Its value becomes clear only when compliance risk, scale, and regulatory exposure justify the investment. Looking at ratings, TaxSlayer holds an exact Trustpilot rating of 4.2 out of 5, based on 30,040 reviews, reflecting strong satisfaction with affordability, ease of use, and reliability. Bloomberg Tax Fixed Assets carries a 4.2 out of 5 rating on Capterra, based on 31 reviews. Because Bloomberg Tax serves a narrow, professional audience, its review volume is much smaller, and these ratings should be viewed as indicative of enterprise satisfaction rather than mass market usability. Final takeaway: TaxSlayer is ideal for individuals and small businesses seeking transparent pricing and efficient filing. Bloomberg Tax is purpose-built for enterprises that need authoritative research, automation, governance, and compliance at scale. If this breakdown helped, like the video, subscribe for more deep dive tax software comparisons, and click the link below to explore each platform and choose the one that truly fits your filing or organizational needs.